we go once again on our way to catch another train tied down. So Westminster has 154 tied down. Seneca also has a 154 tied down, and we have finally found the Heritage unit, and we are hauling tail up there to get this thing. Is that right, little man? So that's the plan for today, and we're going to see what other kind of traffic we can get up here in Seneca. So y'all guys hang tight. We're going to do this thing. Whoa. Not sure what's going on here, but we have a train stopped here at the Crossing Bucks. They're running off a generator down here that's running the signal and the well, both signals. It's a mess. But we got this train here stopped. So we're gonna run up into Westminster and try to track it down and see what's going on. Yep. All right, guys, 242 or 243 is stalled, and they're going to push 243 all the way back to Cheney. This is going to be incredible. All right, guys, so 243 is currently stalled on the single main. 154 cut its power loose, and they're going to push this thing several miles back to Cheney. We're going to try to chase it as far as we can. This is incredible action, guys. We couldn't have asked for a better day. This is going to be incredible. So right here at my crossing is actually the end of this train which is stopped, or which is stalled. So we're going to get out. They're going to be hooking to it here in a minute. You guys can see I made a comment that the EOT was out on this thing. This engine is done. They're stalled out. This train is. It's going to be amazing. Conductors getting on. Be safe, man. Now this, boys, is a shove. caught back up to the train here. Gonna get it back on the shove. Ooh, they're making some power right now. Alright guys, we've made it up to Seneca now. Now they have shoved this train from Westminster all the way to Seneca. This right here, it looks like it is on track. Wait, that's track 1. I'm not quite sure yet where they're going to cut him off at. All right, well, unfortunately, we're not going to get the power. Dang. I don't know where we can go to get it. I can hear it. Don't know where I can get it. All right, so we've chased it back. All right, guys, so there is the 24X. I do believe it is 24X. And a 154 should be coming back with its power right now. Or 154's power should be coming back. Great day of rail fanning. 24X got a signal. All right, so I just spoke to the crew of the 154, and this train's been sitting for 24 hours. They're going to try to bring it up tonight to Greenville. We're probably not going to stick around and wait on 154 to depart because this, 24X is running right there in front of it, and they're having to go really slow, 25 mile an hour. So, all right, that might be a wrap for this video. I'm not sure yet.